Google Gemini, how to use. Now if you want to learn how to use Google Gemini, it is actually quite very simple. Google Gemini is also just another AI chatbot made by Google, and it stands out from ChatGPT in one of the certain aspects on the free version. On the free version, Gemini will also let you to analyze images. So here you can see this upload image button. When you click on it, you'll be able to analyze a certain image, and you can ask the Gemini to actually analyze it for you. Now you can't generate it, but at least better than ChatGPT, because GPT does not allow you to analyze or upload image unless you have got premium, right? Now there's also a premium version of Gemini known as Gemini Advance, which will give you much more smarter answers, but that is just totally up to your own personal choice whether or not you think it's reliable for your work. Now it's nothing much. On the left hand side you can see the histories of any of the chats that you've created. You can choose to delete them, you can go to settings, you can add some extensions to train it to a certain thing of whatever you want it to do. But either way, this is the way you should be able to go ahead and then basically use Google Gemini. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.